In the introduction to APA formatting, it's crucial to highlight the purpose and significance of adhering to APA guidelines in academic writing. APA, or the American Psychological Association, developed these standards to ensure clarity, consistency, and credibility in research papers and scholarly articles. Understanding APA formatting not only helps writers organize their work effectively, but also enhances the readability and professionalism of their documents. In this section, we'll discuss the key components of APA formatting, including the title page, abstract, in-text citations, reference lists, headings, tables, and figures. We'll also touch on citing electronic sources and provided tips for proofreading and avoiding common mistakes. By mastering APA formatting, you'll be equipped with the tools to communicate your ideas clearly and meet the standards expected in academic and professional writing. Title page. Essentials are crucial in APA formatting as they set the tone for your paper. Include the title of your paper, your name, and your institutional affiliation centered on the page. Use a clear and concise title that reflects the content of your paper. If applicable, include a running head and page number in the header. Follow any specific instructions from your instructor or institution regarding title page elements. A well-formatted title page not only adds professionalism, but also helps readers quickly identify your work and its context within the academic landscape. Abstract writing tips are essential for succinctly summarizing your research. Keep the abstract between 150 to 250 words, summarizing the purpose, methods, results, and conclusions of your study. Write in clear, concise language, avoiding unnecessary jargon. Use keywords relevant to your research to improve searchability. Do not include citations or detailed explanations in the abstract. Ensure that the abstract accurately reflects the content of your paper. Proofread carefully to eliminate errors and ensure clarity. A well-written abstract provides a concise overview of your research, helping readers understand its significance and decide whether to read the full paper. Proper in-text citations are crucial in APA formatting to give credit to sources and avoid plagiarism. Include the author's last name and publication year within parentheses whenever you paraphrase or directly quote information from a source. For direct quotes, include the page number as well. Use eDAL for sources with 3 or more authors. Place in-text citations immediately after the information you've borrowed. Ensure consistency in citation style throughout your paper. Use a reference list to provide full bibliographic details for each in-text citation. Proper in-text citations demonstrate academic integrity and strengthen the credibility of your work. Creating reference lists is a critical aspect of APA formatting to provide complete bibliographic information for all sources cited in your paper. Arrange references alphabetically by the author's last name or title if no author is available. Include the author's name, publication year, title of the work, and publication information. Use hanging indentation for each entry. Follow specific APA guidelines for different types of sources, such as books, journal articles, websites, and more. Double-check references for accuracy and proper formatting. A well-organized reference list enhances the credibility of your paper and allows readers to locate and verify your sources easily. Formatting headings and subheadings correctly is essential in APA style to organize your paper effectively. Use bold and centered formatting for main headings, e.g., Introduction, Method, Results, Discussion, Conclusion. For subheadings, use bold and left-aligned formatting, with the first letter of each major word capitalized, e.g., literature review, research design, data analysis. Maintain consistent formatting and hierarchy throughout your paper. Avoid using more than 3 levels of headings, e.g., avoid having a subheading under a subheading. Properly formatted headings and subheadings improve the structure and readability of your paper, guiding readers through your content. Using tables and figures effectively can enhance the presentation of data in your APA formatted paper. When creating tables, ensure they are clear, concise, and relevant to your research. Number tables in the order they appear in the text, e.g., Table 1, Table 2, etc., and provide a title that describes the content accurately. For figures, e.g., graphs, charts, images, number them sequentially, e.g., Figure 1, Figure 2, etc., and include a brief descriptive caption below each figure. Refer to tables and figures in the text by their respective numbers. Properly formatted tables and figures can visually represent complex data and strengthen your paper's argument. Citing electronic sources follows specific guidelines in APA formatting to ensure accurate referencing of online materials. Include the author's name, if available, publication date, title of the web page or article, website name, URL, and access date if the content is likely to change over time. If no author is available, start with the title. Use hanging indentation for the reference entry. For digital objects with no fixed page numbers, provide paragraph numbers or section headings. Verify the credibility and relevance of electronic sources before citing them. Accurate citations of electronic sources contribute to the overall credibility and professionalism of your paper. Tips for proofreading and editing are crucial in ensuring your APA formatted paper is polished and error-free. Take breaks between writing and proofreading sessions to maintain a fresh perspective. Use spell check and grammar check tools, but also manually review your paper for errors. Pay attention to punctuation, capitalization, verb tense consistency, and sentence structure. Read your paper aloud to catch awkward phrasing or unclear sentences. Consider asking a peer or mentor to review your paper for feedback. Revise and edit as needed to improve clarity, coherence, and overall quality. Thorough proofreading and editing enhance the professionalism and readability of your paper. Common mistakes to avoid in APA formatting include 1. Incorrect in-text citations or missing citations. 2. Inaccurate or incomplete reference lists. 3. Improper formatting of headings and subheadings. 4. Overuse or misuse of tables and figures. 5. Inconsistent use of italics or quotation marks for titles. 6. Failing to include a running head on the title page if required. 7. Neglecting to include a page number on each page of the paper. 8. Using biased or outdated language in writing. 9. Not adhering to specific APA guidelines for electronic sources. 10. Forgetting to proofread and edit the paper for errors before submission. In conclusion, mastering APA formatting is a valuable skill for academic and professional writing. By understanding the essentials of APA style, such as title page formatting, in-text citations, reference lists, headings, tables, and figures, you can enhance the clarity, credibility, and organization of your papers. Remember to follow specific guidelines for citing electronic sources and to proofread and edit your work thoroughly to avoid common mistakes. With practice and attention to detail, you can consistently produce well-formatted APA papers that meet the standards expected in scholarly communication. APA formatting not only reflects your professionalism, but also helps readers engage with your ideas effectively.